I guess we're starting off the video with my dogs. Hey, buddy. Man, my dogs are old, really old. But anyways, guys, as you guys know, modifying your car is expensive. Even just doing a cold air intake, it costs you like $300, $300 to $400, depending which one you get. Obviously, headers are gonna be expensive. Custom exhaust systems are expensive. Everything gets expensive when you're modifying, whether it's a tune, whether it's whatever. I actually have two cold air intakes. I got this one right here, but I just want to do some testing with this one. That's why I just switched it, but I'm gonna switch it back probably today. But whatever you do to your car, it's always gonna be expensive. One of the cheaper things to do is obviously stickers. I mean, you guys like to give me shit for the stickers, but this right here cost me $25, and it's gonna be one of the best mods I've ever done to my car. I'm probably gonna enjoy it more than having a cold air intake. I'm probably gonna enjoy it more than having my shorty headers. But let's get right into it. I'm gonna try to open this, see if I can do it. I'm just using my pen. My nail's working fine, so. Alright. So what is this $25 mod I'm talking about? It's actually a stock part, believe it or not. Moment of truth. What's in this little box, you might ask? Actually, what is in this box? Assuming this is shipping information or directions. That's shipping information. Can't have my address leaked again. But what is in this box that is better than my cold air intake? Well, let me show you something. I'm actually going to open this as I climb into the car. So you get in here, and you notice I only have an option for having my lights off, my parking lights, and my headlights. Now, I've had this car for 3 years, so I've gotten used to just moving the headlight switch around, so it hasn't been an issue. But when it's cloudy out and stuff like that, when it's sunny and it's cloudy and you have to have your headlights on, sometimes I actually forget to turn off my headlights. So that's where this comes in. This is a stock part. I'll show you guys the part number. It's right there. But I have the link in the description below. The buyer that sold me this, or the seller, I mean, was pretty nice. He was pretty easy to work with. Now, as far as I know for certain the 2011 to 2014 Mustangs have this, but I'm not sure about the 2010s, although I've been told. But that little bump right there is for the headlight sensor, or for the automatic headlights. Now, believe it or not, all you gotta do is pop this off, and you put this bad boy on, and you have automatic headlights now. Now you got this. Obviously, you can pull it back for the fog lights, but my fog light switch is down here. So, obviously, I could probably now wire it to this, which would honestly be 100 times better than having this ugly little Gorilla Tape switch down here. But yeah, let's do the install, guys. Because it is about 100 degrees out, I'm actually gonna drop my top in the garage. Yes, it clears it. To work on this, because I was gonna start the car, have the AC running, but then I figured since I'm gonna be doing electrical stuff, it's not the best idea to have the car on. So let's get right into it. Alright, so you're gonna need a 9x32 socket. Yes, I know my car needs to be vacuumed. There's a bolt right here and a bolt right over here, and this is what I was talking about, my ghetto fog light switch. So now that I actually have a fog light switch on my new headlight thing, I'm actually gonna try to wire it somehow. But let's take off the bolts and see what's next. Okay, so I ended up just fucking pulling this off. Oh man, it's really dusty. But apparently all I gotta do is just push this out, plug and play the other one, and I should be good. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna push this out. Yeah, I would honestly record, but I don't have anywhere to actually put my phone at. and I need both hands for this, but I'll walk you guys through it either way. Alright, so that was a little more trickier than I thought, but I was able to make it work. I just stick my fingers in like this, and I had to push on this part right here, and on the bottom there's another part right here, and this side I kind of just had to like push it, but there's another pin right there. Couldn't really see it, I couldn't even get to it, but obviously it's easier if you pull off this whole entire thing out. But now I just gotta unplug this right here, put it on the new one, connect it, push it in, and everything should be good. So fingers crossed. Let's see if this $25 mod is good. And my voice sounds a little stressed already because it's like 100 degrees in the garage, but we're making it work. Alright, so taking it off was actually easy. You just pull it right off. Here's my old headlight switch. Obviously off, park, headlight. Here's a new one. Obviously this one has a lot more features to it. We got it off, parking light, obviously the headlight, automatic. We got the pull and push out. You actually get the fog lights. So I'm actually gonna put this back in. Hopefully, obviously the car's gonna start beeping at you because the whole thing is off. But let me turn this around. Alright. So I gotta flip this around. Alright. We plugged it in. Now I'm just gonna push, say just push the new one in. And push it in. And we're done with the install, guys. It's alright, it's working. My headlights are working. Let's actually go outside and make sure. Obviously we got our tools scattered around. Headlights are on, although it's a little dirty. Even though I just washed my car yesterday. So the headlights are working. Let me make sure the tail lights. I can't see the tail lights too good. Yeah, they're on. Let me try out the parking lights. Make sure that's working. Yeah, the parking lights are working. And now I have automatic headlights, which is actually pretty cool. Obviously they're not on because it's freaking bright outside. But yeah, that's the sensor I'm talking about. Here's my old headlight switch, which I'm obviously gonna save. But now that I actually have automatic headlights, man. But again, guys, this is a part number. If anything, I have the link in the description below. If you want to start it. That's so freaking cool, man. My car is so loud. But the install went good. It was a little trickier than I thought, just a little bit trickier. Got the keys out. But yeah, guys, honestly, it wasn't really that bad. All you really need is a flathead screwdriver. Like I said, I did pull the bolts off the bottom. Here are the bolts. I'm gonna put them back on right now. But I didn't really need to do that because I just, like, my fingers, my hand is big, but like my fingers were just the right size for me to wiggle in there. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It was kind of a misery to do considering how hot it is, but anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy. Peace.